In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your custom domain pointed to your GoHighLevel account, so your funnels, websites, and links look professional and on brand. First, sign in to your GoHighLevel account and head to your company dashboard. This is your main workspace, where you can access all the tools tied to your location or brand. Make sure you're in the correct location if you manage more than one. From here, open Settings. You'll find the gear icon on the left-hand side. Settings is where GoHighLevel keeps all the behind-the-scenes controls for your account configuration. Inside Settings, look for Domains and URL Redirects and click it. This section is dedicated to managing custom domains and any redirect rules you might use later for marketing campaigns. Next, choose Connect a Domain. Use this option if you already own a domain from a registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or similar. If you're not sure which domain to use, a good rule is to connect either your root domain, like example.com, or a clean subdomain such as pages.example.com or go.example.com for funnels and links. Click Connect to start the process. This opens the connection flow and prepares GoHighLevel to accept your domain. Now, type in your domain name. Enter it without HTTP or HTTPS, just the domain or subdomain. Double-check spelling and avoid extra spaces. Decide whether you're using the root domain or a subdomain, depending on how you plan to structure your site and funnels. Click Continue. GoHighLevel will validate the format and get ready to link everything up. On the next screen, click Continue to connect your domain. At this stage, GoHighLevel typically displays the exact connection details it needs to verify ownership. Keep this tab open so you can easily reference those details. If you see provider-specific guidance on screen, follow it as presented. Finally, click Verify Records. Verification confirms your domain is correctly pointed to GoHighLevel. If verification succeeds right away, you're set. If it doesn't, don't worry. Changes on the internet can take time to propagate. It's normal for verification to take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on your provider. If you're asked to try again, wait a bit and recheck. Make sure the domain you entered matches exactly what you intended to connect. That's it. Your domain is now connected to GoHighLevel. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.